Decorating the Christmas tree. Where's Luke? Yes.
Do you know how to make a string on there so that I can hang it up on there?
Alright, well, let's do the ornaments we have ready right now.
Hey, everyone, watch out. There's an ornament down there. It's obvious. Look what I just found.
Wow. You have to unhook them from each other.
Guys, hook up. Unhook them. I'll add a star. I got it.
Every time you get one, just hang it on.
Give me the star.
Don't worry about the star.
Getting it, Isaiah?
Got it. Give me the star. Hey, there's lots of stars in here. So let me see you get some down here.
I'm sure that me and Mommy will eventually readjust some of it.
Say hi, Grandma.
Smiling. Are you videoing it?
Yes, I am.
Oh my God. Now I don't have my hair combed. Does that mean the speaker's on it too?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, thank you.
She's single and, you know.
Shut up, I said.
A great catch.
Oh, this thing just came off.
Okay, hold on.